Hey everyone, welcome back to MelBeezee Eats. My name is Melissa in case you are new, and today I will be eating meatballs and I have some veggies. I did start my low carb diet today. I'm trying to stick around like 35 to 40 carbs. I'm gonna lower it probably next week, but for now we're just not like doing full keto. We're just gonna do low carb. And if you guys are interested in my keto videos, because I did keto last year, I have a whole playlist of all of my keto videos. I have like what I eat in a day videos, recipes. I'm not sure if I had mukbangs. Maybe I didn't. But I have also like the weekly dinners plus keto. So I have a whole playlist. I'm gonna leave that linked in the description box if you guys want to see my keto videos. And then I have a whole video talking about like my keto experience, how I lost 35 pounds and stuff like that. So make sure you guys go check those videos out. Okay, so for today I just have some meatballs. These are just like pre-made frozen Italian style meatballs. And then I just heat them up in tomato sauce. And then to the tomato sauce, I add Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. And then I have some shredded mozzarella cheese on top. And then I have broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots on the side. So there are the meatballs, you guys. So yummy. I don't know if you guys can actually see that. I don't want it to fall off my plate. And then I'm gonna sprinkle on some crushed red pepper flakes. You guys, when I was on keto, I was literally obsessed with eating these meatballs. Like, it was one of my favorite meals. Oh, and to drink I have sparkling water, lime flavor. This is just like plain steamed veggies. I don't even have salt. I should probably put salt on them. It's okay. These are so good. My favorite meatballs are actually the Costco ones, the Kirkland meatballs. Those are so good. I'll have to pick some up on my next Costco trip. So today is Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. I'm still sick. Today was not a good day to be starting a low carb diet, but I can't let this stop me. I actually made spaghetti today for the fam, or for the kids. Filipino spaghetti. Look at the cheese. I'm here with AJ. Vanessa is still at school. Oh, actually they're still on winter break, but she went to school because she had color guard practice from 1 to 9. So I made the spaghetti and then I dropped it off to her so she could have her dinner at, so she could have dinner. When I got some yummy suggestions or requests from you guys for like Five Guys and In-N-Out, both, of course, both wrapped in lettuce. I love In-N-Out. I mean, not In-N-Out. Well, yeah, I love In-N-Out, but I meant to say I love Five Guys. Five Guys is my favorite, but I don't go there that often because they're kind of expensive. But I will definitely be doing a Five Guys lettuce wrapped burger mukbang. So good. And In-N-Out. I could also do a Habit one, because they have lettuce wrapped burgers there too. Well, when I want to try the keto pizza, I think it's at Blaze. Let me know if you guys have tried that pizza before. I think my friend Christine tried it. These are so good. Today was such a busy day. I wanted to do laundry today, but I didn't have any time. So maybe tomorrow. Ooh, this is good. That was so good, you guys. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.